This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp. Are you looking for an IT bootcamp? In your journey with TS4U, you will get workshops and tasks every week, hands-on practice, technical tests and tasks, show and tell, mock interview. And we get paid fully only when you get a job. You can get affordable student loan. Become eligible for free tuition. We offer industry-demanding IT boot camps. Join now and start your IT engineering journey today with TS4U.
So my question is, what type of testing have you performed by far, like so far?
Okay, what type of testing I have? Okay, so basically being the functional test engineer, I have done actually the functional testing mostly. And from this, I want to mention some of them. The smoke testing, sanity testing, regression testing, and of course, these all are the part of the functional, and these are also the black box testing. I have not done any white box testing. Our engineers, software engineer, they actually write the unit test to perform their the white box testing. But I have performed very details of the backend testing, which is the API testing, and the database testing as well. So these are some of the testing I have performed. And the part of some of the testing is I have done the end-to-end testing. What it means, actually, I have done the API, which is the function of the backend testing. I have done the front-end testing, the GUI, and then I have also the verified on the backend through the API. That's my integration. Then I also verified, I have written the database query and to actually verify my testing outcome on the database. So that's actually, I have done the end-to-end testing for multiple features and plus the cross verification feature that I was not the QA, but I had to perform before in our workshop. We have the release, before the release planning, we have the workshop, that workshop actually 8 hours long. So basically, I perform the features as well as I perform the other QA's feature as well. So these are some of the things I have done.